Greetings friends and welcome to the Den for the midweek video. I'd like to welcome you all in here for a hopefully a wonderful shave, and hopefully everybody's having a wonderful week thus far. I know one person that's having a great day, and that is Sig Solo. Happy birthday, my brother. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, and I do believe today's the big 5-0 if I'm not mistaken. So hopefully you're being spoiled and having a fantastic day. Speaking of fantastic days, we're going to have a fantastic shave. Used this one a couple times on the channel. PAA, awesome sauce. And we can all thank IAMCDB for this one. This relentless pursuit of this scent. And so good. Based on the Proraso Green Splash, a classic Italian scent. And the brush for today, yeah, we got my baby back in action. CoyoteCuts Demented topper. Just look at this beautiful brush. I just love it. Green resin, dyed and stabilized driftwood out of a lake in Ontario, Canada. We got that top hat design here, which is why it's called the Demented topper, and 24 millimeter luxurious Manchurian knot, and we got the coin in the base. I love this knot. This is the one I had to reset. Not any fault of the artisan. That's me. I probably melted the epoxy out. Maybe using maybe more that was too warm. I don't think it was too warm, but it may have been too warm for the epoxy that was used. And I have the tendency to like just bury this in water, like fill the scuttle and just bloop, deep six it. So, and with these epoxies, I think any amount of warm water over time is going to start to wear away at that. So now I just soak the tips of the knot. This is a high quality knot, so I don't need to drown it. It will sufficiently wick the water up the bristles. So we'll get into this. Very, very nice scent on this, as I said. I think I'm going to go with that for load. I'm going to try not to load too heavy and have you guys here all day while I face lather this. Just a nice classic Italian barbershop scent on this soap. It is, we'll get eucalyptus, and there's some menthol in this soap. Citrus, lavender, talc, oakmoss. So it is slightly powdery to the nose, I find. And it's slightly powdery. Get a little bit of that brightness of the citrus. Definitely get the eucalyptus. That's very prevalent. And we get definitely get some of that lavender. And get the talc. It's just a nice classic Italian barbershop scent. I mean, anybody that has ever smelled this knows exactly what this smells like. And this is in the CK1 formula. It is available in both, so whichever one you choose, CK6 or the original CK formula, the Crown King formula, you can get this in your den. And if you are a fan of Proraso, especially the splash, then yeah, you need it. I love it. I absolutely love it. And it's a great high quality soap. And the scent is bang on. And what more can you want? Nice refreshing scent and just a little tinge of menthol. It's not super cold on the face, but there's enough menthol in there to let you know that there's some menthol, which I like, especially the summer months, getting warmer. We just had some wicked heat here. Last couple days, it hit almost 40 degrees Celsius yesterday, which would be pegging pretty close to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, I think. So yeah, it was warm. And I went with Mojito Chill yesterday, an extremely mentholated soap. And today it's only 21 degrees Celsius, which is very nice, very, very comfortable. Little breeze blowing. So don't really need the super high degree of menthol. And just look at this come together. It's just starting to explode. Those applications of water. And we're losing lather off the brush. Oh man, I'm glad to have this brush back in action. I love it. This is my number one. The number one brush. I had this custom made for me by CoyoteCuts. For my birthday last year, I do believe. This was a birthday gift to myself. It's based off of the Sask Shavers Mad Hatter. Same handle. I asked Lyle if it was okay if I copied his handle, and he said, yeah, sure. Go right ahead. So I had the exact same handle done up, and mine's just a little bit different. His has a maple burl in it. This says the Driftwood blanks, both made by Randy at First Canadian Shave, which is pretty cool. And just look at that. That was a pretty short load, and I just got freaking soap everywhere. So we are gonna go with that. We do not need to throw any more water into that, I don't think. We're gonna have a monster on our hands here. So we'll try and clean up the mess a little bit here, and we'll get into the shaving. And we are using the Gillette Fatboy 1960. It's an F1, so first quarter 1960, with a Wizamet in here, the People's Blade, setting number 4. And how many shaves on this blade? 4, I think. This is the 4th shave. So away we go. Absolutely love this razor, and I'm actually working on only 1 day's of growth. I did shave yesterday, so bearing that in mind, we're not really going to push it today and chase a BBS. If a BBS happens along the way, then great, but we're not shooting for it. We're shooting for just a nice, easy shave. And man, oh man, this soap is slick. Just the way I like it. So I'm back doing some more writing on the old guitar. Got one song almost ready to go and record. Got another one I just kind of wrote last night, just messing around. Just trying to learn some new things. Learning different voicings of chords, and looking to implement them into music, because different voicings of chords change the sound of the song. So kind of working with that. So kind of writing a song using some triads and stuff, and some different chord voicings, and I kind of like what I came up with. It's definitely going to be kind of a soft, squishy song, kind of melodic, something a little different outside my wheelhouse. Not really in the vein of hard rock, but kind of in that feel-good vein. So kind of interested to see where that one goes. I pretty much have the verse and the chorus figured out. I need to think of a bridge section and tie everything together, and by Jove, I got a song. And that's about all my news. Other than that, just living life and taking it pretty easy, as hopefully all you fine people are taking it easy as well. As we go into the across the grain pass here, easy peasy with this stuff. Super slick, love it. Don't forget, I did announce in the last video that we're getting close to that 600 mark, so there is going to be a giveaway at 600. So if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscription button. And the quicker we get to 600, then the quicker I'll be giving something away, and it will be a full soap set, brand new soap set too, mind you. Won't be a used one. Oh yeah, look at that lather. There's still tons of lather in that brush. That's incredible. I got enough lather in here to shave everybody that's watching this video. Beautiful. All right, so this is the across the grain, and we're just gonna go, or against the grain, and we're just gonna go super easy. I'm not gonna push it. Just gonna mow down what we can. And if I leave a little bit, then I leave a little bit, but that actually got most of it right there. Very nice. Yep, that's close enough. Get this side and we are done. So yeah, as far as the music, I write everything usually unplugged. Especially if I'm playing during the day, because my oldest son works from home. So the visions for all my songs, even the ones like with, you know, overdrive distortion, they're all done on an electric guitar that I don't have plugged into an amp. I just sit down with a cup of coffee and just play. So, which I kind of like writing that way sometimes. I mean, sometimes if I'm playing plugged in, like if it's in the evening or on a weekend, if I'm playing plugged in, then a song will materialize. But to be honest with you, most of my music is written unplugged. And then it's not till I actually plug the guitar in and then, you know, put it through the Vox, get that nice squishy Vox goodness. And then, you know, my delay, compression, and then overdrive. That's when the songs really come alive, and that's usually when I finalize them. So this new one that I kind of half-ass wrote last night, I'm really looking forward to taking that for a trial run this evening after supper. I'll get the amp plugged in. I mean, everything's plugged in. I just gotta plug a patch cable into whichever guitar I'm gonna play it on. I think I'm gonna do it on the Telecaster though. This song kind of has that Telecaster bridge vibe, or not bridge, but the neck pickup vibe to it. I think that's where it's gonna sound good. And if I had a Stratocaster, it would definitely be a Stratocaster, the neck pickup, but I don't actually. I do have a Stratocaster, but oh, it needs a bunch of work. And going with the matching splash needs a ton of work. That guitar is old as dirt. The pots are corroded. The hardware is corroded. The nut needs to be replaced, and I don't know. Take a lot of work and a lot of money to kind of get that one back playing properly. All the hardware is like super corroded, so I don't think I could even adjust the saddles to adjust the string height on it. So, but anyway, but the song I wrote the other night is definitely made for a Telecaster. But we'll see what I can finagle with the Tele on the neck pickup. Get a little squishy. Oh, that was a nice shave. Definitely a DFS shave. Did not go BBS today. I didn't want to irritate anything. And I probably won't shave again until Saturday now. And then mow it all down with a straight razor or something to that effect. I can get this splash back where it belongs here. I have to do that later. All right, anyway, so that was the shave for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Hopefully everybody has a wonderful day. And yeah, we can roll with that. So links to everything down below. And that's it for me. So until next time, be safe, be kind to one another. Most importantly, have a great day and even better shave. And we'll catch you later. Peace, and I love you.